Tips and settings that can almost double your iPhone battery life. If your iPhone battery is draining too quickly, these simple changes can help you get more battery life throughout the day. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Battery and check Battery Usage to see which apps are using the most power. If you notice an app using a lot of battery in the background, consider limiting its activity or deleting it if you don't need it. While you're here, turn on low power mode whenever you need your battery to last longer. Now, go back to the main settings screen and tap Display and Brightness. Lower your screen brightness and set Auto Lock to a shorter time so your display doesn't stay on unnecessarily. Next, go to General, then Background App Refresh. Turn it off for apps that don't need to constantly update when you're not using them. Now, open Privacy and Security, then tap Location Services. Review your apps and change unnecessary location access to while using the app. Finally, avoid excessive heat. Don't leave your iPhone in direct sunlight or a hot car, especially while charging. You don't need to disable everything on your iPhone. Focus on the features and apps that actually use the most power. And that's it. These are some simple tips and settings that can help your iPhone battery last significantly longer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.